Assalamu alaikum students. This is Adila Saftar with another video lecture on remaining part of chapter number 1, the data processing cycle. As you already know that in our previous lecture we studied about different stages involved in the processing of data in a computer and also about different forms of processed data. In this lecture we will study practical implementation and uses of computerized systems. The textbook we are following is Write Byte 2. Contents page tell us that chapter number 1 starts from page number 2. Objectives of this lecture are to compare manual systems and computerized systems and also to study advantages of computerized systems. We will study page number 7, 8, 9 and 10 in this lecture. Please open page number 7 of your book. Students, we already studied that data processing occurs in computers as a cycle in which large amounts of raw data are processed into meaningful informations. We input data through input devices, computer performs processes on it, and we get an output. This output is taken through output devices, which can be stored later on in storage devices. For this purpose, several machines are invented to process the data faster and accurately. Sometimes computers can be connected with those machines in such a way that people do not even need to make the decisions. Such arrangement is called a computerized system. In my previous lecture, students, I already gave an example of barcodes and barcode readers in a shopping mall. Compare the shopkeeper who records his sales manually and a shopkeeper who has computerized system. Obviously, the later one is having a speedy, accurate and more efficient system. Now students, on page number 7, write and mark questions. Write question number 6 and mark its answer. Question is, what is a computerized system? Mark its answer from line number 4 of second paragraph till the end of this paragraph. Now write question number 7 on the same page. What is a manual system? Mark its answer from first line of last paragraph till last line. Students, highlight the add-on on page number 8 which tells us what is an expert system. A computerized system that can make decisions for a business manager is called an expert system. It means that if a manager of a company has a computerized system and that system can make prompt and efficient decisions for him, that system is called an expert system. Now open page number 9. Students, highlight the first two lines at the top which says that the use of different manual and computerized devices and methods for processing data is called information technology. It means that if we have manual and computerized equipment and we do computerized processing on it, it is called information technology. Now students, we will study advantages of computerized system from page number 9 and 10. And we will also try to know why manual systems are replaced by computerized systems. The first advantage of computerized system is that these systems make our work speedy. Fast processing is a key feature of computerized systems. They can process data in seconds and even microseconds. Manual processing cannot even begin to compete with computers when we talk about speed. The second advantage of using computerized system is accuracy. Accuracy is a feature of all computerized systems. Data is highly precise in computer system. An example is that of the supercomputers which control space missions. The third advantage is efficiency. Efficiency results in error-free processing at high speeds. Computers make fewer mistakes than human beings and work for longer periods of time without feeling tired. The fourth advantage is variety. Computers have advanced capabilities that enable them to process data in a creative and different way. Data can be processed and displayed in various ways so that it is simpler for the user to understand. For example, numerical data can easily be represented in the form of graphs that are easy to understand. The fifth advantage of computerized systems is ease of use. Ease of use is another advantage because computers work according to certain rules and instructions. Once the users understand them, they can use the computer to perform any kind of work easily. The last advantage is capacity. Computerized systems can perform more calculations and operations than humans can. This makes computerized systems produce better and faster results than manual systems. This is the end of chapter number 1. I hope students you have understood this whole chapter. We will come up with another video soon. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.